This presentation is about light, and here we have a few facts about light. Light always travels in a straight line. When light hits an object, the light can be reflected. That means that it can bounce off. It can also be refracted. That means that the light goes through, but it bends or breaks. And the last one, the light can also be absorbed. That means that the light can also be taken in. So let's go ahead and look at some examples of the behavior of light. Picture number one, it shows some laser beams. That shows that the light travels in a straight line. Picture number two shows water that is very calm, like a lake. The water, when it's very calm, it behaves like a mirror. So the light is reflecting or bouncing off the water. That's why you can see the reflection of the mountains and the trees. Picture number three shows light traveling in a straight line. Then it hits an object, which is a piece of glass, and then it bends, it breaks. So picture number three is an example of refraction, how the light is being refracted. And it goes through and then continues in a straight line. Picture number four shows the light traveling in a straight line, hitting an object. It looks like a mirror, and then it's bouncing off, it's being reflected. The reflection also goes in a straight line. Picture number five shows a glass of water. It has a pencil in it. The pencil looks like broken and even bigger. So what that means is that the light is going through the water, but it's bending, it's breaking. That's why the pencil looks broken. So we can say that picture number five, the light is refracted. It's being refracted, or it's refracting. Picture number six, we have a prism. A prism is like a piece of glass, and we can see the white light hitting the prism, then changing directions or being bent, and then the white light is broken down into all the different colors of the rainbow. That's what prisms do. They break the white light into the seven colors in the rainbow. Again, this is an example of refraction. And picture number seven is an example of reflection. The light travels in a straight line, hits a mirror, and then bounces off. Okay, good luck in your presentation.